In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language preferences on the Cloudflare dashboard. Whether you're looking to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, or just exploring options, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by making sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice the interface might seem a little busy, but don't worry, it's all very navigable, and I'm here to help you through it. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the profile icon. It might look like a generic person silhouette if you haven't uploaded a personalized photo. Give that icon a click. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you manage many of your personal settings and preferences. You're going to want to select the option labeled Profile from this menu. Click it, and it will take you directly to your personal profile settings page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the section dedicated to language preference. This section houses the option for picking and changing your preferred language. Over to the right of the language preference label, you'll see a drop-down menu. This is the key to accessing all the available language options that Cloudflare supports. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. A list will unfold before you, offering a wide range of languages. This is where you make your selection for how you'd like the dashboard to communicate with you. Scroll through the list and select the language that suits your needs best by simply clicking on it. After choosing your preferred language, that's it. The system will handle the rest, and your dashboard will now be reflected in the language you selected. Similar to other modern platforms, the switch is usually seamless and instantaneous, so you're ready to continue your tasks with this new setting right away. As a tip, keep in mind the language setting changes only affect your personal account view. So, if you manage a team or are collaborating with others, remind them. They'll need to adjust their settings individually if necessary. Changing the language on your Cloudflare dashboard can enhance your overall user experience, making it both more comfortable and intuitive. If you need to adjust these settings in the future, you can return and follow these same steps, which should be identical each time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful or have any other questions on Cloudflare settings, feel free to check out our other videos or leave a comment below. Have a great day exploring